Your legend is the identities we use when we work undercover. Your legend has to be part of you. One wrong word, one wrong decision, and you're a goner.
The heroin crisis is a national emergency. Mrs. Thatcher needs a crisis she can solve, and here it is. You think a few customs officers can take on the biggest drug gangs in Britain?
Absolutely. You love this, don't you? Your little uniform, your little bit of power.
Any sharp objects, sir?
What kind of VAT officer follows a bloke to Walthamstow Market?
A bored one.
It's the Treasury.
Did you attempt to illegally import a magazine called No Limit Nympho Nurses?
Oh, could it have been a neighbour? I mean, there's a chap over the road who wears shorts all year round.
Do you want me to go and talk to your neighbours about this?
No.
No.
We're holding a 3-week top-secret training program for new recruits to attempt something we've never done before.
Are you sure?
It will be the greatest challenge of your lives, taking on a level of danger and risk unimaginable.
Where's the training?
Did you miss the secret bit?
Would this be a promotion?
Is that overtime, then? No.
Would we get a per diem?
A per what?
Lunch money.
Lunch money. Why are you 12? We're not the police, we're not the spooks. We can do things they can't.
And it's just us.
It's just us.
So we do this with all the danger that comes with it. And if we die doing it, then no one ever knows that we did it at all.
Some people are cut out for it and some people aren't.
I don't know how to be here when that's still happening out there.
A war has started.
You don't know the half of it, mate.